So with the flooring process, the first thing we're going to do is make sure the floor is cleared. We're going to tape off any doors or windows to make sure no dust gets inside the house or on surfaces somebody doesn't want it to be on. Once we grind, which we call prepping the floor, we will go back over it, make sure all the cracks are filled, any imperfections we try to smooth out. And once that's finished, we put our first coat down, which we like to call a primer coat. That takes anywhere between 20 and 40 minutes to dry. Once that coat's down, we call the next coat the pretty coat, which is a base coat, a tinted base coat with a chip color of your choice. We put down approximately 3 to 4 times the amount of chips that actually will adhere to the product. Once that is finished, we go back in with a blower. We blow everything to a corner or an area where we can sweep up any excess. We then take angled scrapers, scrape the floor so there's no sharp edges for when you're walking on it, it doesn't stick to you. We get everything cleaned up, we vacuum it again to make everything perfect, and then we actually squeegee on the top coat, which goes on thicker than the other coats, and that's what really gives you your durability. What we use is called a Polyaspartic. It is a more durable product than the epoxy. It has more flexibility, more expansion and contraction with the heat and cold with the concrete. So we feel that it's the best product on the market. And it's a 1-day process versus a 2-day process. And we offer a lifetime warranty on it, so you should never have another issue with the floor. It is a thick industrial grade, almost plastic. So a poly is a type of plastic. So basically it's like putting a very hard and durable plastic on top of your floor. So basically nothing can hurt it. The first look is normally a wow factor. Everybody comes out and they're, wow, I didn't think it would ever look this good. It really makes my job a fun job to do. Just seeing the look on a customer's face when you're done, you know, the happiness they get from the before versus the after.